بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم أمين. وبعد. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to tajweed 101 course, simple step-by-step tajweed course that enables you inshallah to learn how to read the Quran properly inshallah. Welcome, my name is Maghfira and I am an online Quran teacher, and you are watching Maghfira 101, the place to learn and know and understand how to read the Quran properly inshallah and understand its meaning. And today inshallah we're going to move to the next part of the letter Ra when it is light. We are going to know the 4 cases for Ra when it is light. So let's go to them. So we started cases of letter Ra and we knew that we have 3 cases for Ra, 8 cases are heavy, 4 cases when Ra is light, and 2 cases Ra can be both heavy or light. Okay, so the last lesson we did the heavy cases of Ra, we knew the cases of Ra, heavy Ra, and today inshallah we're going to move to the cases of the light Ra inshallah. Okay, so Ra is light. We agreed that Ra is from the letters that can be sometimes heavy and some other times being light. Okay, and Ra can be light when it is having kasra. So when Ra has a kasra, like ri, rijal, rijal, in this case it will be light, not ri, it will be ri. So light Ra in the case of rijal, rijal, like this. So make sure the tongue completely on the lower jaw, just the tip of the tongue is touching the elevated part of the gums, okay, to make the Ra sound well. Ri, like this. The second case of the Ra when it is light is when we have Ra sukoon preceded by kasra. The second case of the Ra when it is light is when we have Ra sukoon preceded by kasra. So in this case, Ra here has a sukoon and preceded by kasra. So in this case, it will be light as well. So we will read it as fir'aun, not fir. When you trap the sound in, elevate the back of the tongue. In this case, you make the Ra here heavy, and Ra on this case is light. So fir'aun, like this. The next case when Ra is light is when we have Ra sukoon preceded by kasra. So if we have like this letter, Ra here having a sukoon preceded by sukoon and preceded by kasra, the letter before it is kasra, like hijr. So Ra here is light due to the letter before it is sukoon and the letter before it is kasra. حجر هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر, like this. Or we can do it as قدير. So sukoon preceded by sukoon, okay, this ya is considered as ya sukoon preceded by kasra, so it will be قدير, like this. Okay, so when Ra is sukoon and the letter before it has sukoon but it is not heavy letter, and before it is a kasra like hijr, it will be light letter. Next case, and this is the 4th case, when we have Ra has a sukoon and preceded by ya lin. So when Ra sukoon preceded by ya lin, it's a ya have a sukoon preceded by fatha. Okay, so the rule, Ra sukoon preceded by fatha, it will be heavy. But if this letter is ya, it will not be the same rule. Okay, it will be another rule, which is khayr, ضير, like this. So these are the cases for the Ra when they are light sound. So this is the shape of the tongue when we have Ra light. As you see here, the tongue is completely on the lower jaw and the tip of the tongue is elevated to touch its origin or its articulation point, and no sound trapping, and the tongue is completely on the lower jaw, no part elevated on the back of the tongue. So this is the thing that I have for you today. Inshallah, the next lesson we're going to know the cases when Ra can be both heavy and light, and what is the cases or what is the thing that preferred on the by the scholars. جزاكم الله خيرا for watching. Catch you in the next lesson بإذن الله تعالى. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.